Hi everyone, Divya Pandit here. So here I come with 2021 reading for Taurus. Okay, so let's see what Taurus has in 2021. First, I'm going to give you some general messages. Then I'm going to speak about, rather predict the work, money area, and then relationship, and then our beautiful fairy messages. Like always, the pattern is going to be the same. So let's start with the general energy for 2021 for Taurus. Taurians. Wow. So Taurians basically are what general energy that I feel for 2021. They're going to be fighting very big dragons in 2021. Anyways, they were fighting. Okay, so I feel the pandemic year, the karmic year, the justice year, basically 2020 has given so much stress to so many people. So sad, but 2021 is going to be more like coming out of your disappointments, Taurus. I feel you all have given up on emotions, and that is what is going to carry forward in the year of 2021. And I feel that there is a lot of energy of coming out of all the past negative energies, toxic patterns, toxicity, jealousy. I think there's lots surrounding you up till now. And in 2021, you're going to come out of that. That's good news. Now, let me see what we have in money and work. Okay, I'll go 3 months, 6 months, and so on. So, let me see money first, 3 to 6 months. Money and work, 3 to 6 months. Well, so the first 3 months for Taurians is going to be a time where they are going to be sitting and thinking about everything. Because I feel Taurians have gone into a very emotional state of mind, right? Which is good in a way, but what they are wanting to walk, the way they are wanting to go forward in their work is they just don't want to do one thing. They want to achieve 2-3 things in life, right? They have 2-3 directions to go to, but right now the offers that they are getting are not that great. Okay, in the 3 months I feel that you are going to have a lot of people coming your way, but at the same time the way you want to move forward, you are not able to move forward, and you're going to get very hurt because of that. Because in the past, I feel in the past, people you have helped are not helping you. I feel in the past, people who you did a lot for everybody, but they are not giving you back what you have done. So the first 3 months is going to go in that very hurtful energy of, in the heart. See, Three of Swords. I feel those very. I think there are 2-3 people around you who have really hurt you. This I'm talking about workspace, okay? And I feel you have done a lot for them, and in return you're not getting it back when you need the help. Okay, so the first 3 months there is going to be a realization around this, and there is a lot of emotional energy. Okay, the next 6 months after that, 3 months, that is till June, I feel you will go very spiritual. That's what I feel. You're going to go very spiritual. You're going to have tower moments. Tower moments means you're going to have enough is enough. Like I've realized a lot up to now what has happened with me. So you're going to go inwardly. You're going to go very spiritual. You're going to go, try to have that lonely mental space so that you can realize and contemplate and, go inwardly. Okay. And that will actually make you come out of all the obstacles. There's a beautiful card, and I feel you will come out of all the nonsense that you've been through past 3 to 4 months. You will. And there's a lot of balance. So please take care. This is a card of balance. It's a card of person who knows how to balance. It's not just balance, but I know I have that knack. I know how to do it. So it's like you'll become like an alchemist. You will know how to do it. You know how to turn lead into gold. Okay, so this is the energy you will have in the first 6 months. So the next 6 months of 2021 is going to be wow, a lot of endings happening. The next 6 months, I feel that you will end something. Maybe you will end a business, you will end, or maybe change your job, something like that. Next 6 months of 2021, there is a lot of I think you're going to face or maybe realize that a lot of selfishness coming towards you through people around you. You will face a lot of selfish energy where people are going to be very selfish around you. Maybe you will realize that the similar energy what we saw in the first 3 months. Lot of realization, mental clarity. So you will move on. You're going to end. So it's maybe like a karmic cycle that is ending in your life. There's a very big karmic cycle ending, and this ending is going to give you a lot of new beginnings, let me tell you. See, there are again two situations here. Maybe if people who are dealing with two jobs, two businesses, or maybe two kinds of situations in their life. So one situation is going to end and the other is going to have a new beginning. The other is going to have a new beginning. So the next 6 months is going to be realization that there's a lot of cheaters and selfish people around me. I need to end this toxicity. So you're going to end this toxicity. You're going to end maybe two situations which you are facing in your life, or maybe you are juggling with money. That also could be a problem. You are juggling with money. So that is going to end. That karmic cycle is going to end, and there is going to be a lot of new beginnings. Okay, so I feel the whole year, Taurians, you're going to have a lot of realizations, lot of mental clarity, lot of knowing that what was working up till now is not working anymore. So money wise, one message is yes, healing is happening. This is a beautiful card of healing. So somewhere there is a divine intervention in the year of 2021 for you. Again, spirituality card has also come. So you need to connect spiritually in this year, so that there is a lot of stability of money, new beginning, and a lot of stability of money. So I feel you will be drawn towards spirituality, and that is how your work and money is going to heal. Okay, so this was work money reading. Let me see what you have in your relationships. A lot of spirituality happening for a lot of people, I think, because we have been going through so much nonsense in the past year. Oops, the card came flying out, and that is a heart chakra. So yes, heart chakra healing for relationships for Taurians. Very, very important point. You don't receive, you don't give. Okay, let's see. Relationship, Taurus. Wow. Healing is happening for sure in relationship area. Lots of insecurities, too much of yellow in these cards for you, Taurus. Please work on your solar plex, because solar plex has come also here. So the solar plex is upside down. So I feel that you've been giving your controls to people, maybe. Too much of insecurity, too much of giving controls out of being accepted. There is no self-love over here. So I feel that you really need to work on your self-love, Taurians, this time in 2021. I feel that there is a lot of healing happening in your relationship. Either you're going to move on and heal yourself and walk into a better relationship which is less toxic, or you're going to heal the current relationship. Okay, I feel that yes, you're going to put efforts. Putting efforts in 2021 in your relationship, Taurians, you're going to actually take time off, and you're going to think, meditate. There's a lot of green energy. Anyways, the 2021 has a very green energy. Yes, you're going to make your choices, because you're going to choose what you're going to fight for. The whole confusion time is gone. Okay, now here I feel there is some kind of karmic relationship coming your way. I mean, either you are in a karmic relationship, or You're going through some kind of twin flame journey. And I think that situation, the struggle is going to end. The struggle is going to end with your twin flame. And you were, because I have a healing card over here, can you see the curtains are opening? So I feel you will have healing in that area where your heart chakra, the first card that fell off was heart chakra. I thought it is blocked, but it's not blocked, because this healing card, her heart chakra is open, it's healing. So here I feel your heart chakra is going to heal. And this karmic relationship, yes, is going to be embraced by you. This twin flame journey is going to be embraced by you. Whatever you are in right now, if you are still in this relationship, your relationship is healing. Or maybe if you're wanting to move on, that moving on with someone, if you know that one is my twin flame, that is going to heal. Any relationship right now you are in, be it any relation, love, friends, colleagues, anybody I'm talking about, however it resonates to you, is going to heal right now. But the only issue here is your solar plex chakra, which you need to heal, because it came upside down. So I feel there is no balance. See, solar plex for me, it signifies a lot of mental balance. So the more you heal it, the more balance it will get in your relationship, because there will be no fears and insecurities or control issues there. Where there is control and everything falls off. Remember. So work on your solar plex. That's what I feel. And 2021 gets you success in your relationships. A lot of success. And this success is not just your love relationship. I feel if you work on this whole thing, like I said, your solar plex and, making that healing happening, or by accepting the healing by the universe, I feel this will affect you in every area. Sometimes our life partner gets a lot of luck for us too, isn't it? It does. So maybe this life partner will get you a lot of luck. This love relationship, this friendship, or whatever you're looking for will get you a lot of luck. Okay, in 2021. Now let's see what fairies have to say for you. One beautiful, cute little fairy message for Taurians in 2021. Business venture. Okay, I need my specs. Trust and follow through on a new business idea or career or opportunity. So something new coming up, Taurus, for you all in the year of 2021. Look out for something new that you've been wanting to do. Something special, something amazing in your work area coming towards you. That's a beautiful message, Taurus. Let's end this video by saying bye. Don't forget to subscribe, call me and email me for personal paid appointments only. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And people who have still not followed me on Instagram, please follow me, because I'm going to be putting angel love messages very soon for 2021 for relationships. So see you all and Happy New Year and goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye. Bye.